So today we're having a bad day because my friends told me to shut the fuck up. But this time they have to shut the fuck up. They have to shut the fuck up because they're such a fucking ass nigga with that chicken fucking ass little chicken legs. So they have to fucking stop.